Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tiana and I am Tiana Food and Lifestyle. Today I'll be making vegetable soup. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say thank you for being a part of my community. Let's do this together. And for this soup, I'm going to be using goat meat, and this is how I cook my goat meat soft. I put in baking soda into the water, put in the goat meat, add in my cow skin, cover it up with enough water, and then cover it up to cook until it gets soft. Not very soft because I'm going to be cooking it for the soup. And these are my stock fish. I like to get this type because it comes out in strokes like this. I soak it in warm water and set it aside for it to get soft. And then I'm gonna be using beef as well, so I just cut the beef into chunks like so rather, and put it in the pot. I'm gonna be cooking this beef, and I have some bones too, and then cut it like so, put it in the pot, put in some seasoning. I'm gonna be using black pepper, also known as Cameroon pepper, also cayenne pepper, KNORR seasoning, salt, and medium-sized onion. You can check my description box for all the ingredients I'll be using for this soup. And I just want to say, stay with me until the end and let's do this together. I'll let you enjoy the video as I take a walk. Thank you.